Right. So this is what generally OKR is all about, which is called object and key results. Because whenever we are working on any project in context to the agile environment, there are different templates we use in Confluence. Because Confluence is a document collaboration tool widely used across industries to develop different uh, document sharings, either for product requirements or any sprint planning review. All these things can be prepared. In this regard, developing OKRs is also one of the key and important element when we are working on Confluence, especially in connect with Jira, which is OKR. OKR stands for Object and Key Results stands for. So here we need to mention the team because here we have to provide given a title page for object and key results, right? So for the project, right? So for the project, whatever, let's say, for example, it's a mobile based application, right? So mobile application we are developing, let's say. So mobile application we are developing. Here we need to mention about the team, followed by the kind of timeline what they have given, because whatever the date range for the results which we wants to be achieved here. So the timeline has to be provided here. At the same time, when you want to mention about the pages, right? So whatever the related pages in context to the application, right? So for example, if there is any kind of reference documents were given, or if there is any kind of reference pages was given here. So related pages here, we need to update the links as well as the key document related pages and all everything has to be updated in this regard. At the same time, here we need to mention the objectives. For example, an objective I have taken as we need to create a delightful and helpful experience for any single user when they are interacting moment, right? But let's say this is an objective we wants to achieve. If you want to reach this objective, what must be the key result? What was the key result? For example, as far as the mobile application we are developing, we want to decrease in iOS launch to the send first message system and all for an average 20 seconds to 8 seconds, right? This is the key result, right? So reducing the time of message what customer wants to see, right? In spite of from an average from 20 seconds to 8 seconds as far as iOS launch itself is concerned, which must be connecting to the objective what we have created so far, followed by this whoever the owners, right? So whoever is going to uh, create objectives and goals and all, right? So that's one related stuff. Followed by this, whatever the partner to where we are partnering with, followed by the expected EOQ, which is called expected of key results, right? So what we have and all, right? So results scores, right? So all these things has to be updated in this regard. At the same time, here we need to mention the current status, whatever the current status do we have. So we need to mention about the current status here. So like this, whatever the required objectives you want to be updated in this regard is all something which we have to be mentioned under the OKR part. This is what generally we call it as objective, key results, etc. All that. So this is one of the key and important uh, template, especially on Confluence. This is one of the important template which normally we use. This is highly useful when we wants to reach any kind of objects or as well as the key results he wants to be delivered. This is what something which being into implementation team, especially as far as agile itself is concerned, one must be good with, one must be familiar with. So this is all about this video. I hope you got an idea about what is OKR and how this can be updated for any of the project. Of course, as an example, I have taken mobile application as a project I have taken, and this is how and what generally confluences and all everything is what something which we create. So if you have any questions, if you have any queries, please reach out to the contact details which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.